In this video, we'll go through step by step and replace the battery in your Audi TT key fob. This will just take you a few minutes. All you'll need to get it done is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. You'll just need one of those. If you don't have one of these lying around, you can go check out the first link down in the description. That link will take you right over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a good price. To get started, find the buttons on the bottom metal part of the key fob. There's one on each side. Hold both of them down and remove the internal key. Now under there, you can see we have two more buttons. You're going to hold both of those down, hold on the rest of the key fob, and pull on the bottom part and wiggle. And this component will come right out. You can then just pull the battery right out of there. Grab your new battery, which is a CR2032. Make sure the positive side is facing down and just click that into place. And when you're ready to put this back in, if you have the buttons facing up, the battery should be facing down. And you'll slide that right in there and click it down. Now you can just put the key back on there and you are good to go. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come on back to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.